Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Tiffany. Today we're going to be decorating my kitchen for Christmas. This will be the very first video in my Decorate With Me series. I am obsessed with gingerbread if you're new here, so if you guys want to see all my gingerbread decorations in my kitchen, then please keep watching. Alright, first thing we are starting with is my tier tray. Now I will be making a totally separate video on tier tray ideas. I've got some elf, Santa, some more gingerbread ideas, decorating ideas for your tier tray. I love my tier tray. I use it every single season and I love getting little trinkets for it. So be on the lookout for that video. So most of the stuff you guys will see I did purchase this year. I do have a ton in my collection, but I did try to use a lot of the new stuff. If you guys have any questions where it's from, let me know in the comments down below. But I did film 2 or 3 or 4 haul videos, so it will have those items in it if you are curious. But like I said, I will let you guys watch and pop in here and there if I've got any commentary. So without further ado, let's get decorating. Now that little mini cutting board you see up there, as well as those little mini spoons, I did make myself this year. I will link the DIY down below and above. You guys should go check it out. Super simple and easy to do. These rolling pins I made a few years ago. I will link those videos down below. Now here's my tray all complete. Now the gingerbread tray I'm going to do is going to be completely different from this one, so if you guys like tier trays, look out for that video. Now this lamp I found on Amazon, I will link it down below. I really love the idea of being able to add your own seasonal decor underneath. Now it's not super large, as you can see. I found this gingerbread set at Hobby Lobby a few years ago. They had it again this year, but it was perfect size to fit just a few little decorations underneath. Now the Noel sign and the Joy cookie sign, those are from Hobby Lobby quite a few years ago. I have not seen them in a few years, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to find those. But most of this stuff I did purchase this year. As you guys will see, I did move some things around. I did add things after the fact. After you step back and look, you can evaluate and reflect and see if you want to add stuff, take away stuff, and that's definitely what I do. I do add some garland to this shelf, as well as Candy Cane Lane sign. You guys don't see it in this video, but I did add it at the end. You will see it at the very end when I do a walkthrough. Those little mini wreaths I made myself in that DIY, and then these little trees I put in both of my windows. Just adds a nice little touch. Now I tried not to clutter my kitchen too much. I know it is a lot of decor as it is, but it could have been worse. I could have covered all of the countertops with the amount of gingerbread decor that I have. Now I know people will ask, those placemats, those gingerbread placemats are from Kohl's 2 years ago. I'm not sure if they still sell it, but you can always check eBay. Now these cookies in this cookie stand I got from Michael's, Joann's. They came from Pix, and then there's a few Dollar Tree cookies. And then that gingerbread man sign is so cute. I got it from Etsy, but they do have some at Walmart, as well as that adorable cookie jar. Now I had to buy 2 of them because the first one arrived broken. As well as these measuring cups. These are from Walmart years and years ago, but they did bring out similar things this year. You guys should definitely check it out, as well as the measuring spoons. Those are from a few years ago, but they do have really cute options this year as well. Again, another rolling pin that I made. I just love this little corner. I love it, love it. So, so cute. And that rolling pin I made myself in the DIY, link down below. Now I found this adorable wax warmer. You guys will see here in a minute. I actually got it from Big Lots and it came with scented wax cubes already. So it was a perfect deal. I think it was like $8 or $9. So it was a really good deal in my opinion, and it's super cute for my gingerbread kitchen. Now the drying mat and the towels and the hand soap dispenser all came from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm going to show you a little hack here because these are for, you know, handles. What I did is I put a command strip upside down so it could hook onto the towel. That way you can use it on your cabinets as well. So just a little hack there for you guys. This is another favorite corner of mine to decorate is my utensil caddy or my utensil holder. I love just adding seasonal like spatulas or rolling pins or whatever to decorate with. I really think it adds a nice little touch. I really love that striped rolling pin. It is from Target. And then the tree cutting board is actually from Walmart. It's a charcuterie set, so that was really fun. I finally got my hands on it after trying to find it for forever. Yeah, I'm feeling quite nostalgic. Now this table runner, goodness, I think I bought this four or 5 years ago. That nutcracker as well, I think he came from Hobby Lobby, and then that gingerbread bakery sign was from Michael's a few seasons back. And then of course my candle holder I made myself. I love it so much. I'm actually going to make another one. It's so pretty and just festive and adds a nice little gingerbread touch. And that little candy jar is from Walmart. How cute. I love that garland. This one has been hard to get my hands on. I got it last year, but this year it was sold out. So if you want it, you should probably go in stores and check. And these placemats, again from Hobby Lobby, probably 5 years ago, they connect together to make a table runner. I'm not sure if I should use them or take them off if it's too cluttered. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. I think I'm going to remove them. I think there's a lot going on, but let me know what you think. Now here on top of my fridge, I always like to add a little touch of whatever holiday decor I'm using. That Believe sign is from Hobby Lobby 5 years ago, as well as all of those little pieces. They're all from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. Now on top of my cabinet, I decided to add some fake snow, like a fake snow blanket, and I'm not sure how I feel about it. I kind of wanted to hide the stands that I'm propping everything up on, but we'll see. I might take it down after a few days looking at it. And then the Santa and Mrs. Claus, I got those from Walmart. I love those so much. And now I'm just going to be putting my village up there. A lot of this stuff is from Ross, Hobby Lobby. I got some stuff from Sam's. Those cone trees, those ball cone trees I made myself. Those are from Hobby Lobby, those houses. I mean, I shop everywhere and anywhere that I can find gingerbread stuff. So yeah, just gonna put all of our houses up top. Oh, is it all imagination? Am I stuck in Christmas? Now that bag that I'm gonna show you here in a minute, that sack is from At Home. With the gingerbread kisses. I'm going to put it in the very corner there, that one. And then we're going to add our little Hobby Lobby gingerbread boy and girl. I've had those for years. I love them so much. They now have ones that light up, which is pretty cool. So yep, this is what we've got. I want to add some more lights. Let me know what you think. Is it too dark? Should I add some string lights? I've got some strip lights up there, but I think it needs more. Alright guys, that is my gingerbread kitchen. Here's a little sneak peek of my gingerbread coffee bar. That video will be coming very soon. The next video I'm going to put out is my last haul for the season. It is a pastel gingerbread / Candyland kind of haul. I'm going to be doing a pastel gingerbread Candyland. It's a mouthful. I don't know what to call it, but my dining room will be pastel, so you guys should stay tuned for that. I hope you guys consider subscribing if you haven't already. You don't want to miss any of my future videos if you're a gingerbread lover like myself or Christmas in general. I have a ton of DIYs, decorate with me's, festive food ideas, treats ideas, you name it, I'm going to be doing it. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you do, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this
fingers in the sand, you had me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas time.